Hello, in this video I am going to explain what is swapping and paging. What is swapping? Swapping is a memory management technique used in operating system to manage process execution when the physical memory is full. And I will explain the purpose of swapping. Efficient memory utilization. Swapping allows the OS to move process in and out of the main memory to make space for another processes. Multi-programming support. It means enabling multiple processes to run concurrently by keeping only active parts in the memory and storing other temporarily on the disk. Third, avoid memory storage. When RAM is full, swapping prevents the system from crashing or offloading inactive processes or the disk. And effects of swapping. First, perform impact. It done execution swapping can slow down the system because disk access is much slower than the RAM. Increase CPU overhead. This means that frequent context switching and managing swap process increases the overhead. Temporary process suspension. This process means that processes are swapped out, are temporarily suspended, and the execution resumes only after are brought into a memory. Improved process management. The OS can handle more processes than the physical memory, allow improving systems multitasking and availability. How swapping works? Step-by-step mechanism. First, process admissions. A process enters the system and is loaded into the main memory if there is enough space. Second, memory full condition. If the memory became full and a new process needed to be executed, then the OS decide which current process should be swapped out. Means that usually that one is idle or waiting. Swap out. Third, the selected process is moved from RAM to disk and swap spaces or the pages file. Its state is saved so it can resume from where it left off. Swap in. Fourth, when the swap up process needed to execute again, the OS brings it back from the disk to the RAM and possibly swapping out the another process to make the room. Fifth, execution resumes. The swap in process resumes executions from the saved state. Advantages of swapping. Efficient memory utilization. Allow more process to run than the physical memory and can hold swapping inactive one off disk. Enable multi-programming. Multiple program process can be executed by rotating them in and out of memory, improving CPU usage. Simplify memory management. Make memory allocation flexible and easy by using secondary storage. Support large program. Even if a program is larger than RAM, it can still run using a swapping. Fifth, temporary process suspension. Inactive or waiting process can be moved out without terminating them, saving their states. Disadvantages of swapping. Slow performance means swapping involves disk input output, which is much slower than the RAM access, causing delay. Thrashing. Excessive swapping leads to thrashing, where the system spends more time swapping than executing a process. Third, increase overhead. Swapping adds overhead to the operating system, especially if it is done frequently. Fourth, disk wear and tear. Repeated read-write operation to disk can be reduced to its lifespan. Fifth, complex process management. Managing process states and the memory mapping becomes more complex when processes are frequently moved. What is paging? Paging is a method where physical memory is divided into a fixed size block called frames and the logical memory is divided into blocks of same size called pages. Key concepts are pages, a fixed size block of a process, frame, a fixed size block of the main memory, and page table. The data structure used by the OS to map logical pages to a physical frame is called a page table. And how paging works. Mechanism. First, CPU generates a logical address, means that it divides page numbers and the page offsets, and it can be determined by it. Page table, storing and mapping between each page number and its corresponding frame number in a physical memory is called a page table. And physical address means the actual address in the RAM, formed by combining the frame numbers and the offsets is a mechanism of it. Advantages of paging in operating system. First, eliminate external fragmentations. This means that since memory is allocated in a fixed size block and there is no memory of scattered free memory. Second, efficient memory uses. The process do not need continuous memory block. Pages can be stored anywhere in the physical memory. Easy process management means swapping, loading, allocating memory to processes becomes similar with fixed size pages. Support virtual memory. Paging allows implementations of virtual memory, enabling programs larger than the physical memory to run. Improve multitasking. Multiprocess can be loaded into memory, each using different frames. Security and isolation means each process has its own page table, making it harder for one process to another memory. What are the disadvantages of paging? Internal fragmentation. This means if a process does not use the entire large pages, then the unused space is wasted. Overhead of page table. Each process required a page table which consume memory, especially for large process between many pages. Slower access. Every memory access required two steps: one to look up the pages table and another to access memory, which slow down the performance. Increase complexity. Manage page table efficiently with multiple process adds to complexity to the operating systems. TLB, if the translation looks at buffer doesn't find a page entry, accessing memory takes even longer. No ideal for real-time system. The unpredictably out of page fault and the address translations delay can cause issues in time-sensitive applications. Comparison of swapping and paging. Swapping moves entire process between RAM and disk, and paging divides memory into a fixed size pages and the frames. And swapping manages memory when RAM is full, and paging eliminate external fragmentation and support virtual memory. And swapping entire process, and paging fixed size blocks where pages and the frames. Swapping requires enough space to load the full process, and paging only needs pages and loaded. Rest can stay on a disk. Need contiguous memory in swapping and no need for contiguous memory in paging. Can cause crashing in swapping and efficiently unless pages fault of TLB and misses occurs. And swapping can cause external fragmentation and paging can cause internal fragmentations. And the swapping is fast and paging is also fast. And swapping is less common today, while paging widely used in almost all modern operating systems. In conclusion, I can say that memory management evolutions. Swapping and paging involve limited RAM challenges, and paging offer flexibility and efficiency improvement, and virtual memory allows program larger than the physical memory, and memory management continues to evolve for a better performance. Thank you.